I also love shopping, so it's time to start checking things off your holiday shopping list. Today is the last day to shop Amazon Prime's Big Deal Days. Lifestyle journalist Amy Goodman of Amazon joins us with some early holiday deals you are not going to want to miss. Hi, Amy.
Hello there, Erin. I just love shopping early and also having great savings.
Yes, okay, so tell us about this shopping event that started yesterday, but it runs through today. We still have time.
Yes, you still have time. This is Amazon Prime's Big Deal Days. It's an exclusive shopping event for Amazon Prime members to score early savings this holiday season. I want you to think top categories like fashion, home, toys, kitchen, electronics, and of course, Amazon devices. Now, they're going to be dropping deals about every 5 minutes periodically throughout today. So you want to come back and check and shop often. And by the way, if you aren't an Amazon Prime member yet, do not worry. You can still sign up. You can even sign up for their 30-day free trial to check it out at amazon.com/prime big deal days.
Wow, well, you have a whole slew of things in front of you. You said we have to check in every 5 minutes. That is a lot of shopping, girl. After this show, I'm going to have to just shut everything down and get to shopping. So, walk us through some of those things that you have in front of you and the savings that they come with.
Of course, when we approach the holidays, we're going to be running around a lot. I love this woman's accessories. This is from Koolabera by UGG. This is a really fresh take on a classic UGG boot. You can see it has exposed shearlings, some really cute bow details. I love the neutral color. And of course, with UGG, you don't have to wear socks, which is great. So you can save up to 50% select styles like these women's accessories.
Nice, beautiful. I love a good UGG, and it's fall, so the season is coming, right? Okay,
Yes,
I
yes.
need some noise canceling in my life. Can you tell us about the next deal?
Well, I'm surprised that these are even here in front of me because my family has been wearing them all morning long. This is from Sony, the Sony headphones. They're wireless headphones. They're dual canceling in noise. My daughter was wearing them. She's like, I can't hear you. I'm like, that's going to be a problem for me. You can save up to 50% off of Sony, which is fantastic. It also tunes into Alexa. So you can say, Alexa, play this song, or Alexa, give me directions to such and such a place. So it's very, very smart, much smarter than I am. Again, it's 50% off Sony.
Well, that is quite fancy. It's not even Halloween yet, and we are already talking about the holidays, and that means buying gifts for our kids. So, what deals do you have for our little ones?
Yes, and I know it sounds early, but this really is a hot tip. To get those gifts for kids nice and early, this is the Barbie Dollhouse Playhouse, which is exclusive to Amazon. It folds up to 2 feet of wonderment. She has a bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, a pool. I'm telling you, she knows how to live. You can save up to 30% off kits like this and Barbie dolls as well.
All right, well, quickly, I'm not an exercise enthusiast, but there is somebody out there who is. What do you have for those who like to work out?
Yes, if you are a Peloton fanatic or you want to join the movement, Peloton is having up to 30% off select Peloton items, including Peloton bikes, Bike Plus, accessories like you're seeing, these cycling shoes, and select apparel as well, and also guides. So these are some of the lowest prices that we've seen on Amazon so far this year.
All right, and then you have one more item, right, that I'm not touching on.
Yes, this is skincare. So, as the holidays approach, we wear our stress on our face. For beautiful, luminous skin, you want to check out Sunday Riley. This is their retinol. It's a sleeping night oil that is so wonderful. It helps kind of reduce the appearance of wrinkles in the morning. Your skin looks totally refreshed. And luxury beauty products like this are up to 30% off
Wow.
during Amazon Prime Big Deal Days. Yeah, it's great. And anybody who knows Sunday Riley knows the incredible quality of this
Yes.
skincare line.
Yes, well, great products you showed us this morning. Thank you so much, Amy. There is still time, plenty of time, to shop Amazon Prime Big Deal Days and get a jump start on your holiday shopping and savings. Just go to amazon.com/prime big deal days.